Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making my version of orange chicken. There's a lot of versions out there, but I'm going to do this my way. So I'm going to start off with 4 chicken breasts, thinly cut. I have 1 pat of butter. I have some parsley. I have a half of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, orange. The orange I'm using for garnish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a half a cup of naranja agria. Now if you can't find a naranja agria, what you can do is just use regular orange juice and lime and make sour orange that way. Okay, so I'm also using some oregano, black pepper, sazon, and garlic powder, and a little salt, but I'll probably do the salt at the end. And I'm also using 1 bouillon cube, which is right here. I'm using 1 chicken bouillon cube. Okay, so let's get started. Start off by adding 1 pat of butter. I'm gonna add the onions, and then I'm gonna add the garlic, but I'm not gonna chop the garlic up. I'm gonna leave it whole. Now I'm going to start frying up the chicken. Now I'm going to add my dry seasoning. You can season the chicken before, or I should have seasoned it before I added it to my pan. So anyway, when you get ready to do it, season your chicken before you put it in the frying pan. Now I'm going to turn the chicken. This will cook a little longer. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I forgot to mention that. This is going to sweeten up the sauce. Now I'm going to squeeze some lime juice over the chicken. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of naranja agria. At this point, if you feel like you need to add some water, just add a little bit more water to this. Now I'm going to add some orange slices to the chicken. Okay, so then I'm going to just turn this one more time just so that the chicken cooks completely. And it's almost done, so I'm going to add some parsley flakes over it. And I'm going to let this cook down for about another 10 minutes, and it'll be ready. Okay, so I'm just going to put some of the sauce over the chicken. Oh, it smells so delicious. Well guys, this is my delicious orange chicken, and it's a quick and easy recipe if you want something different. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.